Ladies and gents, hello. How's everybody doing? It's a Wednesday. It's a nice one. It's pretty bright out. It's about 1:14, I guess. I'd guess it's about 1:14 p.m. And I'm cruising on a little charade. A little task, I would say. That's what you call it. I'm going to Home Depot. Going to Home Depot to get some things. And this is not the fastest way to go there, so I'm actually going to take a right at the next street over there. Get off this street. Get off this damn busy ass street. And, you know, I'm just relaxing today. I'm working from home, so this is technically my lunch break. Doing a little Home Depot dash. Because I had a late breakfast. I made a delicious omelet. Look at this. This sons of bitches. They're not going to let us get through the next light at this rate. Fucking bullshit. These things happen. These things happen. I can't believe how warm it is actually for a mid-October day. Look at this nonsense. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Here we are. We're gonna take a little right and explore Brooklyn a little differently. I'm gonna take Leonard. The fucking A. I don't know what's going on here. No idea. People are just taking their sweet time, just like I should be doing, because there's no rush. This is one of those beautiful days where there is no rush. Let's see if I can be nice and courteous and understanding of people's trouble. People's trouble with driving, obviously, because it's a complicated situation. This lift over here is taking its sweet time. This guy, what are you doing, dude? You know, I'm chilling, but even then I can't fucking take my time. I'm gonna pass him because there's no need. There's no need to go that slow. It's not that serious. Oh, see, I can't even take it easy. So, no topic today. Today's topic is just an everyday vlog, a look into the life. You know, buddy, what are you fucking doing? Fucking weirdo. People are just like, he couldn't get a hold of his bicycle. I'm just a freaky bastard, freaking out on everybody. It's gonna be okay. I'm just also not trying to be a savage. Obviously I could pull up in front of this guy and that guy and just like pass everybody all the time, but it's okay. We're gonna take it easy. We're checking out our old hood. Used to stomp around here on a bicycle. Some good spots around here for jumps and fucking launches and whatnot. Why must all these taxi drivers be so slow? That's a problem. It's like these people are just waiting for, like, look, they're waiting for fares, so there's no need to get anywhere. What's the point? See what I'm saying? This person is just not even trying to go. gonna pass them really slowly and casually, completely controlled, not too worked up. Yeah, we're about to reach Broadway in Brooklyn. That's the JMZ train right there. That's what that is. That's funny, this is where I actually showed my buddy Chris my bike for the first time. So it's telling me to go this way. Interesting proposition. I guess I could have went that way, but it is okay. It's just different parts of Brooklyn, you know. It's all good. And I used to live right up Broadway to the left over there, off the JMZ stop. Oh yeah, what was it called? Broadway Myrtle. That's right. Come on, buddy. You got it. I'm not a complete savage. Just a halfway savage. Mr. Supreme over here from New Jersey. Do it, bro. Got it. I don't often stomp around these higher pods. You have to take a left here because over there it's all the wrong way. Got there before. Some weird situations happening on these blocks. This is all like a Hasidic Jewish neighborhood. You could see it by the balconies and shit. Because I don't really know the ins and outs of their religion, but I know they have to spend the night outdoors, I'm guessing, something like that. I don't know. Nobody knows. So this guy's taking a left as well. It's going to be a competition between him and I. I'll probably win, but he does have a horse on his van. I don't know. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. Got him. Go ahead, buddy. You could do it. It's fine. Not a problem. Not a problem from this camp. Oh, that's why I wanted to go on these streets, because it's a little bit shadier. More shadowy. Shadier? Yeah. Shadowy, shadier. Same difference. Gonna take a left over here. Are these guys taking a left or are they going straight? Impossible to tell. But we're like minutes away. And there's potentially Popo behind us, so let's not get too crazy now. Look at these weird structures here. I do want to pass everyone, but it may not be kosher. Sorry, lady. Which way is this feller going? Let's go. A little Bentley over here, chilling. I like it. I need to buy a smoke detector, of all things. That's right. I need to complete this one project I'm working on, and that project requires a smoke detector. A specific kind. I'm sorry this is so boring. I just figured I'm gonna go for a cruise, so I might as well take you guys along. And there's not too much happening, but it's still a little tour of Brooklyn, everyday happenings. This huge i4 Sequoia 5.7 V8. We're almost there. could taste it. Green light. People around here, they like to take a little pause. They don't want to go as soon as they can. They like to just stick around for a second and wait. Bus lane. So 2 more blocks and then we'll take a right. There was a cop back there, that's why I'm not like propped up in the bike lane right now, bus lane. Man, it's a hot day. It is a hot, 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 warm day. My gas light just came on. To be expected, that's fine. Not too worried. Look at that bus. Please go. Seriously. How are we going 1 block at a time? How is this happening? Yeah. After my little mission, I look up a close gas station. Even though I have like 20 miles until the gas runs out, I don't like to toy these games about. Not my kind of toy game. Haven't been here in a minute. I used to come to this block where we're about to take a right in the right, and there was like this wall over there, and the street is called like Walworth, and there was one of the dopest wall rides ever there, like a big ass swoopy wall. Super cool. Yep, memory, Walworth. That's right. That was nice. Yeah, right on the right over here. And then they built this fucking Home Depot, and that was that. That was the end of that. Holy shit, it's super busy here today. But it's fine. I just need one little item. Not a real stressful situation. We care. Good job.